those are the gears. Whenever you have a reverse on this side, it's usually something to lift up so you don't mistakenly throw the car in reverse when you're trying to put it in first gear. So, okay, because it's so close to that side. This is first. That is first gear. This is reverse. Remember, first gear, lift up, reverse. Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm 6-Star Driver, and today I will be showing you guys how to drive a car with a manual transmission. I want to give a special shout out to Zet's Auto Mall located in Jersey City for allowing me to use one of their cars today. More info on them at the end of this video. Let's go.
So, let's say this is your left foot and this is your right foot. Your left foot is going to be controlling the clutch. This is the clutch pedal. This is the clutch pedal. You have the brakes in between and the gas pedal right here. All right. You don't want to step, like, you want to keep your leg hovering over the gas pedal, not stepping on it. You're not revving the engine, but the clutch is all the way down. Whenever you have the clutch all the way down, remember the car is always going to be in neutral whenever you push the clutch down. So always pay attention. Okay. Push it down to release the gear. Push it down to release the gear, and once you put it in first gear, you want to release the clutch gradually, and step on the brakes just a little bit, just to get it going. Step on it just a little bit. So it's like a lever. You're releasing the clutch a little bit, and you're stepping on a gas pedal, like this. All right? Remember, you don't want to mash on the gas pedal. You want to gradually step on it while you're releasing the clutch just a little bit, like this. Just a little bit. That's how it works with your foot. So I'm basically describing it with my hand. I'm using my hand, but this is your left foot and this is your right foot. Okay? Hold the brakes. Whenever you step this down, hold the brakes so you don't have the car free falling and moving forward by itself, because it's in neutral. Once you press the clutch, the car is in neutral. Put it in first gear. All right, put it in first gear and take your leg off the brakes and closer to the gas pedal. You release the clutch a little bit and you tap on the gas pedal just a little bit to get it moving. Just a little bit. That's it. Like this. Like this. That's all you're doing. Just like this. Just like this, just little by little. You gradually releasing the clutch and stepping on the gas, just a little bit. Anytime you step on the clutch, you change. First gear, second gear, third, fourth, fifth. If you can see, my leg is on the brakes. Okay, I am gradually stepping on it, releasing it. I'm changing. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and that's how you go. To downshift, you step on the gas, on the clutch. Fifth, fourth, third, second, first. And that's how you do it. Let's go. To start the car, push the clutch in. Push the clutch in. The emergency brake is on. Start the car like that. Make sure your seatbelt's on. Make sure you release the emergency brake. Push it down. Remember, the car's in neutral. Okay. To put the car in reverse, you have to lift. This one has a handle where you lift it up, and it allows you to go all the way to the side and put it in reverse. I have my foot on the clutch and also on the brake paddle. Because it's in neutral, whenever I have my foot depressed on the clutch, it is in neutral. So what I want to do is gradually release this little by little then put my foot on the gas just a little bit to get the car moving a little bit backwards. Now, I want to put it in first gear. First gear is this way. Let's go. All right. So I'm in neutral right here. In the first gear, I'm at a stoplight. My foot is down on the clutch and also on the brakes. This is normal in a lot of different countries. Just in the US, we're a little lazy. We're very lazy over here, so a lot of the cars are automatic. Everything is usually done for us. But this is how you drive a car. This is driving a car. I'm about to change gear. I'm gonna step on the clutch again, put it in second, release it. I'm getting to a stoplight. Slow down, put it back in first. Watch how I shift. Watch how I shift. Slowly. It's in second now. I want to change it to third gear. Step on the clutch. I can release it. I'm not riding on the clutch. You never want to ride on the clutch. You're going to burn out the clutch faster. You want to make sure when you release it. Slow down. You can also downshift to create engine brake. Third. I'm in third gear. You notice I don't have my foot on the clutch anymore because the car is currently in gear, it's running. I'm maintaining this decent speed. My RPM is at 2. It's normal. I want to shift gear now. I want to get into a little higher gear. To third. I want to get into fourth. Push the clutch. Push it down. Release the clutch. I'm on the gas. It's a lot easier when you're driving on the highway now because you don't have to put your foot on the gas. The hardest part is actually getting this car rolling. That is usually the hardest part for a lot of people. Most people usually stall when they begin. That's normal, so don't get too worried about that. Just make sure you get comfortable releasing the clutch, and that's it. That's all manual is all about. I'm getting closer to a stop sign. I'm gonna downshift. This is on third gear. I'm putting in the second gear and first gear. That's downshifting. Remember, this is neutral. Whenever you can do this, the vehicle is in neutral. That means it's gonna roll on you. First. Second. When do you shift? When the RPM is above, you're revving above 2,000 RPM, that's when you need to shift. You can kind of feel it. You're gonna start hearing the engine revving up a little higher. That's when you need to shift to the next gear. So right now I'm in neutral. go. First, release, gradual release. Pushing the clutch down, changing the gears to second. Now I'm going to third. Slowly release it. Second gear. Second gear. All right, I'm getting close to third. It's time to shift. So you basically want to shift when you're getting close to third. I'm in third. Stop, downshift, first. Simple. On a hill, it could be a little difficult on a hill. You want to make sure if you're not comfortable, make sure you have your emergency brake on. You know, if you're not comfortable going up the hill. So I'm very comfortable. I know how to control the clutch. I know it's not going to roll all the way back because I'm releasing the clutch little by little. Then I step on the gas a little bit. I get going. That's it. Second gear. Third.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video helped out. And don't forget to smash that like button. Also, special thank you to Zet's Auto Mall, located in Jersey City, for making this video possible. They have 2 locations in the city to help get you into the car of your dreams. If they can't get you approved, nobody can. Zet's Auto Mall.